The book Looking for Gandhi in Our Times by Varsha Das, who is a prominent Gandhian, throws light upon how Mahatma Gandhi guided the masses to inculcate their belief systems into their lifestyles. He motivated humans to live and apply the change as they wish to see in the world, and this is aptly conveyed by the author here. The book engages in making us believe that Gandhiji is timeless and does so successfully. The author initiates by accepting that she took to Gandhian values naturally as a fish takes to water because her parents were in close contact with the Gandhis. Initially, the book honors Gandhiji's Hind Swaraj, which carries his dream and vision of a liberated India. Then, it delves deep into answering whether we really know Gandhiji in his absoluteness. His idea of collective struggle and process of creative metamorphosis led to his philosophy of satyagraha, which required an immense willpower. It analyzes the humanistic aspects of Gandhiji, how the father of our nation was not devoid of making mistakes. By talking about his 11 vows, the author illustrates Gandhiji's journey of continuous inner change. He saw godliness in every human being, which represents his acceptance and adherence towards people from diverse cultures. His keen perception of human society allowed him to comprehend the economic motive behind most human actions, ultimately leading to violence and corruption. Gandhiji attained spiritual connection and courage through Ram Nam right from his early days. This book recalls his last words, Hey Ram, expressing Ram's existence as a metaphor for a fearless spiritual way of life. He also revered teachings of Bhagavad Gita, which emphasized on a solitary way of life by practicing self-sustenance without an expectation for companionship. The book also talks about Kasturba Gandhi and her patience, commitment, and courage, inspiring the author's mother in Sabarmati jail, giving Kasturba the title of the mother or Ba. Giving a glimpse into Mr. and Mrs. Gandhi's personal life and the mutual love they had for one another, the book celebrates their relationship as an epitome of camaraderie. The latter part of the book talks about the first group of women satyagrahis, how Gandhiji praised these women's indomitable will, defining their actual strength. He also appreciated the spirit of non-violence or ahimsa in women, as he believed that they have an infinite capacity to love even while suffering. Gandhiji propagated spirituality as fearlessness, requiring an unmeasurable strength. He believed in experiential learning being a positive influence on education and considered material wealth as transient